Alright, this is the end of the blizzard round 2. And as you can see, we have a lot more snow than we did. John is tired of snow blowing. He's done the entire road with the man down there at the end. They both snow blowed the entire road since nobody will come down our street. But here's a view of the neighborhood and all the beautiful snow that we all hate so much and hope that we never, ever, ever see again. Well, maybe not never, ever, but for a very, very long time. There's the fence covered. There's Jonah climbing to the top. Can you reach the basketball net now? Oh, look at that. Look, Jonah can make a slam dunk right now. All right, Jonah can make a slam dunk. Cool. Now John's over getting the neighbors. And here's a good view of our house. We've lost a little part of the gutter in the backyard. We've got to fix. We had already gotten some stuff off the roof yesterday, but that obviously did no good. Do you like the snow, Jonah?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Aren't you tired of it?
No.
No? Okay. Well, he's the only one who ain't tired of it. All right.